Hi everyone, this is Hope and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to deep dive into another trading bot called ANGRYBOT. ANGRYBOT is the fastest trading bot on Telegram designed to identify on-chain trading opportunities and execute trades automatically. Basically, the company motto for the users: stay ahead of the market and capture 100x token opportunities effortlessly. So in today's video, I'll explain you guys what are the advantages of this bot and we will together try to use it. But as always, this video is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing. But let's get back to ANGRYBOT. So to know a little bit more about ANGRYBOT, we can actually check the project documents. So as we can see, ANGRYBOT introduction. ANGRYBOT is a token trading platform based on Telegram, offering the fastest and most feature-rich trading experience. So as I said, this is a Telegram trading bot. And here we can see the core features of this bot. So it's fast sniping, one-click buy-sell, which is amazing. Then you have limit orders, withdraw the principal after doubling, anti-sandwich trades, smart wallet tracking, multi-wallet support, and more. Support Radium and Jupiter DEX. And actually, it's really amazing that they support Radium and Jupiter because they're the most known and most used DEXs. And the main advantages of this bot, it is super easy to use. So you can basically simple buy and sell, you can manage your positions and smart wallet trade tracking. Then it's first trades. So it means that perpetually global nodes ensure industry-leading trading speeds. So as we know, if you trade tokens, the speed is super important because the faster you enter that trade, the better results you can generate. So it's really great that they have this advantage about trading speed. Next up, they have exclusive strategies. Track smart wallet and follow KOL signals, real-time data, accurate and up to the new project data and news. And actually, I will talk about this exclusive strategies advantage a lot when I will show you how to use the bot. But I think it's really cool that you can follow call signals and also you have the real-time data. And lastly, we have eCure funds, multi-layer encryption to protect your private key and assets. So it's always great when your assets are safe. So this is shortly overall what is ANGRYBOT all about. I want actually to show you guys how to use the bot, but if you are curious and if you want to learn more about this ANGRYBOT, you can actually check their docs. I will leave all the links in the description. You can check all the information you're curious here on the docs. But overall, ANGRYBOT is a great tool for trading on Solana. It's super fast, easy to use, and packed with features like smart wallet tracking and one-click buy-sell. Plus, it keeps your funds secure while giving you real-time data to make better trades. What can we ask more, right? So I think now it's the time to check how the bot looks itself. So let's go to Telegram and click this button Start. So we have the welcoming message. And then the dashboard looks pretty simple. And I really like that literally you see the all option here in this dashboard. So yeah, so basically this is how the Telegram bot looks. And here we have our wallet address. So this is our wallet address where we need to add funds. Here you can see the wallet balance. Right now I have 0 funds. Also here you have a referral link, so you can invite your friends, family, or colleagues, I don't know, to try out this amazing bot while getting some rewards for the invites. But as I said, the main thing is the wallet address and the wallet balance. So I think all you guys know how to add the money. But for example, if you are a beginner and you don't know how to do it, they have step-by-step guide how to add Solana to this wallet in their white paper. So check out their white paper. But let's talk about the features. So we have the main features, buy and sell. So as you can see, this is pretty intuitive and easy to do. If you want to buy, you click buy. If you want to sell, you click sell. So let's click buy, for example. And we can see we need to enter the contract address. And this way your chosen token will be bought. So let's jump right now to the DEX screener and find some token for this example. So here I am on DEX screener and I saw actually this Juju a lot in the Twitter right now. So let's check this out. So I need the contract address, right? So I can find it right here. I just need to click this button, copy, and then go back to the ANGRYBOT itself. So we already copied the address. So now let's paste it and let's click enter. And actually, don't worry, you are not buying at the same second you're pressing enter. Now the bot will open up the settings of the buy. So as this is just the test show, I have, as you see, zero balance, but all the other settings for me will work fine. So actually here we can find all the information about the token. So token information, current price, we can see the current price, we can see the market cap, we can see how much holder token has, then the price trends in 24 hours, liquidity, and when the trading was opened. And actually the best part, we can even check the security. So for example, we can see that this token is reannounced, LP burned, and freeze revoked. And 10 top holders holding almost 90%, which is kind of a quarter of all the tokens in the circulation. I think this number a little bit too high for me, but maybe if the top 10 doesn't dump the project, then we are good. So basically, this security section definitely helps you to see if the token is secure and if you should buy it. So I really like this feature because it really helps to avoid investing in those 50-50 tokens. So after reviewing your token details, you have two options, market price and limit price for the buying. So what is the limit buy and what is the difference between market price? So with the limit price, you can set the buying price where you want and enter the trade. And with the market price, you will buy the tokens at whatever market price is at that moment. So this is the difference between those two. Then we have the slippage, and actually we have these two options, 50% slippage, and then you can actually write your own slippage. But the crucial part is not only to be fast in trading, but also to choose a good slippage, which will ensure that we enter the trade as soon as possible. So I always suggest to use a bigger slippage like 20, 30, 40% for maximum entering speed. And here you can select how much you want to invest. But as you can see, there is 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, 1, 5 sol. But actually, you can manually write what kind of amount of sol you also want to invest. So for example, I want to invest 0.3 sol and enter this trade with 0.3 sol. As you can see, it writes insufficient balance because, as I said, this is just a test. And please, guys, don't follow what I'm doing right now. Choose your own tokens that you did your own research and you think it's suitable for you to invest. But yeah, guys, this is basically it for the buy section. And if you want to go back, you click this button home and then you go back. So basically the same rules applies to the sell section. You can do the limit sell, as I said, for example, if you want. And I think this is really, really great that you can do those limit buys, because if you want to buy tokens, for example, on Radium, and we all know that on Radium transactions are way slower. So by using this ANGRYBOT, you will have the ability to beat the trades from the Radium and enter way, way faster and maybe even with a better price. So I think this is really, really great that you can do everything here. Then we have the button limit order. So let's click it. So here we have our limit orders, and here you will find all your limit orders you can check out. Let's click back. Then we have sniping. So token sniping lets you buy new tokens right when they open on Radium. With ANGRYBOT, just send the contract address or use the sniping menu to set the amount, gas, and priority fees. Recommended is always 0.01 sol or higher for faster and more reliable trades. Actually, if you want to learn even more about sniping features, you can find all the essential information on their white paper. And I know I'm saying this over and over again, but really, guys, check out the white paper. So actually, I think the biggest advantage of this feature is, for example, if you know that some of the tokens will launch soon, you can actually snipe them and buy them as early as possible. But keep in mind, guys, sniping is way more riskier, so be careful, and if you are new, try this feature more carefully. But still, I really, really like that this bot lets us do various different things in one place, like in one bot. Like ANGRYBOT has so many different features. And we don't need to go, for example, different platforms to snipe, another platform to copy trade. Everything actually is here under one roof. Next up, we have copy trading. So I talked about a lot of different bots who has this feature, but what I really like in this bot, that for example, if you are starting up and you don't know what trader you want to copy trade, right? Here the ANGRYBOT gives you a solution for this problem. They actually have this partner channel, Smart Money. So let's click it. Let's click start. And here we are in. So this is the ANGRYBOT wallet tracking bot. So here they are offering a couple of things. Monitoring the smart wallet in real time and receiving immediate notifications of transaction behavior. Built-in high-quality smart wallet address library. You can follow up to 100 wallet addresses. Use ANGRYBOT trading robot. One-click smart wallet to follow orders. Monitor the Telegram group token contract addresses, display token information in real time, and buy with one click. So for example, as we can see, they have several options, but we can see calls wallets. So let's click this one. So here we will find this big list of calls wallets. And actually here we can see the calls and we can even check the wallet balances. We can see the 7 days profit rate and we can even check the 7 days trading volume. So for example, we can see that Gotrilla had in 7 days 651 trades made and the profit rate was 35%. And for example, this guy, he had 671 trade and had 72% of the profit rate, which I think is really, really great. And if you want this kind of a profit rate, I suggest you follow this wallet. But again, check out the wallets yourself, make your own decisions. So basically, you can copy trade the information you want just by one click. So this is one of the options, but let's go back and let's click add monitor wallets. So again, we need to enter a wallet address. So for example, let's go back to the screener and do the same token, that same Juju. And here, let's click top traders. So as we can see, the guy bought from $11 and sold at 55. So let's, for example, click this guy. So we are in, this is the guy who made the trade. Let's copy his account address. And after the copying, let's go back to the ANGRYBOT and enter the wallet address. So ANGRYBOT right now will start to track the wallet. So you will be getting various notifications if there is some new buys and sells and etc. So after you find wallets you want to copy trade, go back to the home page. Let's go back to the home menu. And then press the copy trade section, enter the wallet address, and then you can adjust your settings. So yeah, guys, everything so far looks really, really good to me. But also they offer another thing, signals. So if we click this button, signals, we can see that ANGRYBOT offers us FOMO signals, ANGRYBOT gem calls, Moonshoot listing alert, sniping pool, pump discovery. So for example, if we click this first one, FOMO signals, we can see loads of FOMO signals. So this is actually a really, really great opportunity to enter really great trades, to be first and earn that passive income we all want. And actually, you can buy these signals in one click, which is super convenient. And actually, overall, I think this bot is really, really amazing because they offer so many different ways how you can trade. And it's super easy to set up. And actually, I think this is super amazing that all the features are under one bot. And lastly, we have wallet management, we have referrals, EVM bot, and settings. So I think this is really, really amazing how much you can do by just using this one bot. Also, this bot is multi-chain, meaning it supports Ethereum, Solana, Base, BSC, and Fractal. And they are planning to add even more. And additionally, they have more than 19 languages that you can use in this bot. So it's really versatile and suitable for everyone. Also, they have launched the new web version, so check out the web version yourself after watching the video. But I think it's super cool that they added this web version also if you want to trade on your PC. So yeah, guys, the bot looks extremely good. As I said, I really like that you can do all these things under one ANGRYBOT roof. Definitely use my link in the description to try out this bot. And before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to join my free Telegram group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.